Hey guys, it's Daniel with Boss C351 Productions. Today we're changing the transmission fluid in my brother's 2015 Ford F-150 2.7 Ecoboost. We ran into a problem and we'll tell you about it. The next thing you're going to have to do leveled and installed. I think they look pretty darn good.
Hello, I'm Daniel and I want to welcome you to the parts. Work your way around. I have it set right now at 1080 out of the valve cover. And when it cracks in and out, that's not worth paying the kind of money I did.
As you can see, we have the transmission pan out of the 2015 F-150 here on the ground, cleaned up, and we have two different transmission filters. The first transmission filter, the one on the left, is the transmission filter that came out of the truck. The one on the right is the one that we were going to put back in it. Problem is, it's the wrong transmission filter. You can see the one on the left has an additional port on it. The one on the right does not. Now this is the transmission filter. If you watched my video on how to change the fluid and filter on the 6R80, mine took that transmission filter. This particular transmission filter is the one that fits on the 2.7 Ecoboost engine trucks. It has an additional port to pick up fluid that goes into an additional servo on the side of the transmission. Now, none of the parts stores have the correct information. None of them. Napa, AutoZone, O'Reilly's, Advanced Auto Parts, none of them have the correct transmission filter listed for the 2.7 Ecoboost trucks. We have searched and searched and searched through their databases, and none of them show you the correct filter to use. Now the filter on the right is the FT188 filter that goes in the four-wheel drive and two-wheel drive pickup trucks with the 3.5 or 5 liter. The one on the left is the FT200 filter that fits only on the Ecoboost 2.7 trucks. Make sure you get the correct one for your application before you ever install the part in the truck. It could easily burn up your transmission if you don't. Once again, this is Daniel with Boss C351 Productions. I thank you for watching my videos. Please like and subscribe to my channel. If you check down in the video description below, I have links to the parts in this video and how to get them cheaper than you can get them in a local parts house. Again, thank you for watching my video.